you beautiful people, welcome back to my channel, welcome back to another video. I just want to say thank you so much for the love on my video that I uploaded like yesterday at like 8 AM. I'd literally filmed it on the Monday night because I wanted to hear your thoughts and get your opinions and stuff. But oh my god, the video got like barely any views, which I'm honestly not bothered about at all, because the comments with the most loveliest, most supportive, encouraging comments ever. Like, it just made me think, this is why I'm uploading, this is why sometimes I am sat by myself for hours when people are having family time, or Blake spending time downstairs with his family, and then I've had to like come upstairs and film a video and edit it and get it up and miss out on that time with them. Just makes me feel like I'm doing the right thing. Like this, people are appreciating what I'm doing, and just there's somebody out there watching, which I know there's somebody out there watching anyway, because my views have been so good on this Declutter Month. But I'm so scared that my views are gonna go downhill once the decluttering's done, because we only have like this video and one more left, but then after that we've got so many fun ideas of videos. Why did I say that weird? I don't know if you can see here, I'm gonna just turn you around. This is absolute shambles that needs sorting out. So this little bag here is all the stuff that we were going to test to see whether it makes it back into my makeup collection or not, or whether it's going to be given to friends and family. Down here is like half a pile, and then half of the stuff on this bottom shelf down here is my nostalgia pile. So I need to put that in a box somewhere and put that to one side, because I want it to be like in storage, like tucked away. Over to this side we have all my stuff for me to do a PR video, but then I also want to do this trolley. I want to do it out. At the moment it's got so much random stuff on it, like my cellar water, like cleaning stuff. And I've literally got a happy 30th birthday toilet roll that has, holy shit, you are 30. I love the shit out of you. There's just so much random stuff, and I wanted to transform this. I don't know what to. Originally I wanted it to be a skincare face mask, like pamper like setup. I don't know what I want. I don't know what I want anymore, because at the moment all of my face masks and like hair pamper stuff are like all in these drawers. So I don't know. I don't really know what I want to do with that yet. So any suggestions, please let me know, because I will use that when I'm filming. So I need it to be something that's going to be also convenient for me when I'm filming, but I don't know what I want to put in it yet. Obviously I have these filming drawers, so I don't need to put like things I need to film with and that. I don't know. Any suggestions, please let me know, because I know a lot of people that are in my like membership group chat, a lot of people have them trolleys, because it was like a time that we were all buying them. So let me know what you have yours organised like. And then obviously we have my filming drawers. So these are basically drawers of different bits and bobs of stuff that I need to basically do a video on, and I've have full intention to do a video on, and I've never got around to doing it. So what I really want you to do for this video is, when I go through each of the drawers, I want you to let me know which top 3 videos in the order of priority of what you want me to film first, because I will literally use your comments to plan my filming schedule and what comes first. So your comment counts. Get your word in now, girl. Have your say. But yeah, this is what we have. So to the left hand side here, this is like my drawers that I'm using like on the daily. So it's got like my contact lenses and solution stuff in. That one has like my little eye, like my glasses case. Haven't really filled that one yet, to be honest. And then here I have dry shampoos and hairsprays, and then this up here, which I don't think you will see, yeah, this up here was actually originally on my trolley, and I used to use that as like basically as like my filming like little tray, but I don't know what I want to do with that anymore. And then just in the top up here I've got like my hairbrushes and like a little Spectrum case. This is my little case for my camera that I'm using, my little one. And then I have some like clean sponges, and I just need to find a home for them and sort them out as well, because yeah, like I said, we are totally on. Do you know what I haven't gone through? Oh my god, I haven't gone through my brushes, because like literally look at this. This is just my eyeshadow brushes. That's all eyeshadow brushes. And then I have drawers on the other side of the room that has loads of spare like face brushes. So I could probably do with doing like a declutter of all of them, to be honest. So yeah, let me know if you want me to do that. So these are basically like little shoe drawers, and they all have different bits and bobs in them. So let's get a bit closer. So first, I actually think this drawer originally started out as a PR testing drawer, and then I don't really know what's happened, to be honest. This has such like a random selection of stuff in it. We've got like an Urban Decay palette. We've got some highlighters from that What's Up Beauty. We've got like a mascara from them, but we've also got a W7 one. We've got some more mascaras. Like there's just it's just such a like a Gen Z lipstick. That's a little highlighter match to them. Another mascara, another lip gloss. So I don't really know what I'm doing with that one, if I'm honest. Like these drawers probably need sorting out as well. And then the second drawer, this one has quite a mix of stuff in here as well. But we have a Scooby-Doo, Glam Light and Velma lip kit. I also have a Daphne one, this Daily UV Anti-Blemish SPF, invisible and matte. Got like a Glow Hub blusher. I think this is like a liquid eyeliner. That's like, yeah, and a glue one. This one, I've had this for ages. How have I not used you yet properly? I've also got a Fenty concealer in here. And then I think this is, yeah, a skin lip liner. Like, why? That is the most random selection of stuff. And then moving on to this drawer. This is a drawer full of Pixie. So this drawer will obviously be a full face testing Pixie makeup. We have absolutely all sorts in here. We have like lip balms, eyeliners, mascaras, brow products. Like there's absolutely tons and tons, blushes and all sorts in here for us to try. I could probably get even 2 videos out of this, so let me know if you want to do a video testing Pixie. And then this drawer is a testing Primark video. Some of this stuff I've had for a little while, but it's still, a lot of it's still in the shop because I was only in the shop on Saturday. So I've got enough to like do like basically like a full face testing Primark stuff. And then for this one, I've had this stuff for ages, waiting to do a video for years. So this one we have the Studio London, which is like Superdrug's like own brand, a bit like Boots 17, like that kind of vibe. So in here I have like bronzing cream, blusher, lipsticks, concealer, eyeshadow, lip liner, setting spray, foundation, an eye base, and then also a powder. So again, I could do a full face testing Studio London from Superdrug. And then this drawer is full of collection stuff. Again, I have had this for ages. Collection very kindly sent me like a big box of PR, which was incredible. So obviously I put this to one side to do a video for years, and it's still here. So let me know if you want to do a full face testing collection. We have a lot of like their dupes for like Charlotte Tilbury. We've got like loose powders, eyeshadows, bronzers, contour, highlight sticks, blushes, setting sprays, lipsticks. Like there's so much fun stuff for us to test in here. So please do let me know if you want me to do a video on testing a full face of collection. Next drawer is a full face of testing Rimmel. So Rimmel have actually been so kind recently, and they've sent me so much PR. I've literally just got, which isn't in this drawer because it's in my PR haul pile, but I've literally just been sent their jelly blushes as well, which look so stinking cute. Like can't wait to actually try them. But I will do my PR haul and film my PR haul before I film the Rimmel video, because I'll have so many more goodies to top up. I literally have so much like gorgeous PR parcels to show you as well, so that'll 100% be coming very, very soon. But yeah, in here we have loads and loads of lip stuff, which is, oh, excites me so much. We have mascaras, we have lip glosses, we have this, which everyone from the, I just need to shake in 1 second. I actually got sent so many of these. If you watched my PR haul, I got sent like the same shade like so many times. So I give them to maybe like 4 or 5 girls at work. They all absolutely love it, and like will be repurchasing it. So not only have Rimmel gained a customer with me, but they've also gained a customer with the girls from work as well. So I've got a few of them in different shades. We've got setting sprays, brow stuff. Like these look so cool, but then also they've got like stick crayon eyeshadow as well, primers. Oh, honestly, I cannot wait to get stuck into this drawer. So again, this will be testing Rimmel. This bottom drawer is meant to be like a testing high-end video, because there's a lot of high-end products in here. So we have like quite a lot of lip products that like I literally haven't even used because I've been waiting to do a video on them. I've got so many unreal lip liners in here that I want to try. Oh, honestly, there's so much. But look, like Road Blush, Huda Beauty Blush, like, there's so many lipsticks in here that I want to try. Like I've got Huda Beauty, Easy Blur. This drawer is actually needs to be moved elsewhere, to be honest. I just shoved them in here for now so they're out of the way. But this drawer is, ooh, falling. That is what that drawer is doing. It is breaking and falling because it is too heavy. But it's literally full of brand new setting sprays from my setting spray declutter, because I've only left the ones that are open in my drawer so that I use them ones first. So this needs to be put somewhere. I also have some other stuff that are like brand new, like mascaras and stuff, need to be put somewhere as like my overflow, like backup kind of stuff. The same with like my skincare drawer, which I will show you on Friday. Next up, we have a full face of beauty crop. Some of this is like stuff that all of it's stuff I've had for ages, but some of it's their older stuff. Like I've got an eyeshadow palette, I've got like a bronzer palette, like a blush duo, their foundation. I've got like these, which I was absolutely buzzing to get, these little concealer brushes, but again, because I haven't filmed the video yet, I haven't been using them. Setting sprays, obviously we realised I actually have 2 of these. For God's sake, Lucy. We've got like lip oils, like I've got like this concealer for like contouring instead. I think I actually need the concealer in a normal shade as well, to be honest. Liquid lipstick, brow gel. What are you down here? Smooth and stick lip crayon. So let me know if you want me to do a full face testing beauty crop, and if you do, I'll probably buy the concealer as well, so let me know, because I'll have to make sure that I order that ahead of time. And then this drawer, does this look familiar for my channel? This is a full drawer of like brand new stuff that Revolution have very kindly sent me. I haven't had a PR parcel from Rev for ages, because obviously I've not been uploading anything really, so this is really exciting that I can actually like catch up on the launches that I do have. So I've got so many fun things in here to try. Obviously the Pro Miracle Water Cream, which this launched just as I left, so I was like gutted that I didn't get a chance to try it. And the Hydra Base Cream to Water Primer, again, so excited for that. But we also have like the Superfix Super Grip Primer, obviously Air Blur Liquid Lipsticks, which was one of my launches that I was working on before I left. Same with the Pout Bomb lip glosses as well. Got the new Skin Silk concealer. Well, not new now, but we also have the Skin Silk blushes and bronzers. Obviously all of the Air Blur liquid lipsticks. We also have one of their jelly blushes as well. So we've got quite a few things, and obviously their pumping lip liners too. So we've got quite a few things to try there from Revolution. Again, if you do want me to do a full face of testing like new Revolution stuff, let me know, because I will have a go on their website and see if there's anything like tickling my pickle, because if there's anything new and exciting, I'll buy that as well ahead of time to film this video. And then last but not least, I think I had this as like a drugstore testing kind of drawer. So I've got like Miracle Pure Skin Reset like serum foundation from Max Factor. I've got some more of them Gen C stuff, but then I also have these, which I really want to do a video on so I can actually start using them properly. These are like the famous lip stains from I don't know how to say it. I'm going to try. So I've got Max Factor lip liners, got like a little baked marble blusher. Oh my god, I got this, which I really want to try. And I also got a lip liner to match that, but I don't know where that's gone. And got like a little blush. What are you? Liquid eyeshadow. Then I also have some stuff from P. Louise, and then a Morphe palette as well. Actually, while I'm here, that's a bronzer. No, that's bright pinks. Oh, that palette is absolutely stunning. Like, I want that on my lid. Wow, that's insane. And we also have this Morphe one as well. Oh my god, absolutely gorge. So that is that drawer. So them drawers that were a bit like mismatchy, I've kind of sorted them out a little bit. So I've made this one drawer which would be like just testing loads of new stuff. So we've got like Iconic palette, Garnier, Kylie Cosmetics concealer, we've got P. Louise, that Max Factor foundation, some of these like Gen C liquid eyeshadows. I thought they'd be so good. A blusher from P. Louise, Barry M blusher as well, like a powder one. And then the Velma lip kit, and then also like a W7 roller lash dupe. So that's one drawer. So we'll just call that the Iconic London testing video, just so that you know what to write for your top 3 comment. And then I also have this drawer here, which will also be a full face, but testing like more high-end expensive makeup. So we have like Urban Decay palette, ABH, Huda Beauty, Refi, Bare Minerals, What's Up Beauty, Rhode, Vive, Fenty, and again another What's Up Beauty, and then obviously MAC. Just depends what lip liner I go for. So this can be the high-end full face testing. And then these ones are a little bit miscellaneous. So this one here is like things that I would like to include in a testing video, but I just don't have enough stuff to do a testing video yet, if that makes sense. So these are like my build up products. Obviously I'm going to do my PR haul soon, and I also have a box of stuff that I want to do a makeup haul with as well. So we'll definitely be filming this up soon, and we can then work our way through my filming drawers and then start making more little setups like what we have. So that can go at the bottom for now. And then this one, I've put two of my little, I'm going to cough. Sorry, I just literally had a little coughing fit there. But I put two of my little dividers in here that I got from B&M like ages ago. And these are like ones that I want to do like individual little like TikToks on. So I wouldn't mind doing a little individual TikTok testing the Huda Beauty Easy Blur, especially now that she's brought out even more shades. I wouldn't mind doing a little lip combination video on TikTok for them too. And then I definitely want to do some kind of like TikTok video for these 3 peel off lip stains as well. So for now that can be my little like drawer of stuff that I want to do like little individual TikToks on. So that is my finished filming video. So please let me know. I'm going to give you a quick fire of what each of the drawers are called, because I want you to leave a comment down below. Tell me the top 3 videos in order of priority that you want to see, so I know exactly what to start filming first, because this is going to take a while to get through. So I want to make sure that I'm actually getting through this and making a dent in it, but also doing it in the right order that you really want to see it. So we have full face testing, miscellaneous stuff, but we'll call this iconic palette full face testing. Then we've got my high-end full face testing, Pixie full face testing Primark, Superdrug full face testing, Collection full face, Rimmel full face. That's miscellaneous for now. And then we have Beauty Crop full face and Revolution testing new in Revolution products as well. Please, like I said, leave a comment, top 3 things that you want to see in the right order, number 1 being the one that you want to see the most, and I'll literally use your comments to plan my filming schedule. But we will have a PR haul coming, we'll also have a makeup haul coming, we've got my skincare drawer, which won't be a declutter by the way, it'll literally just be showing you what's in my skincare drawer, because all it's brand new, so I'm not going to declutter anything. And yeah, we've got so much more fun stuff coming. We've got a full video testing all the things that I put to one side that I showed you. Oh my god, I can't even lift the bag up, it's that heavy. But in this bag we have all sorts. We have P. Louise, we have Makeup by Mario, we have Fenty Beauty, we have Benefit, we have Made by Mitchell. Like, there's so many products in here. This is going to take quite a handful of testing videos in itself. So again, let me know what you want to see first. Do you want to see anything that's in these drawers first, or do you want to see me testing the stuff that I've decluttered, put to one side? Let me know. I need your help. Thank you so much. And if you do have any ideas on what I can do with this trolley, I'll also let you girl know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you Friday, which we will actually go through what's in my skincare drawer on Friday. And I'll show you all the stuff that I've got, because it is quite insane when you think about it. When I look at the drawer, I'm like, how am I going to get through all this? But it's all brand new, so it's all fine. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll hopefully see you Friday for a new video. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like, comment, all the good stuff. And if you do want to join, I have like a little YouTube membership where you also get access to an exclusive group chat with me and everybody else that are in it. So if you do want to join it and like talk to us on the daily and stuff, it's quite like a calm chat now. Like before, it used to be like so hard to keep up with. Now I feel like it's like a nice pace where like you can dip in and out, you can say what you want to say, but then it's not also going to bombard your phone with notifications. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, thank you so much. Love you so much. Peace out, besties.